Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to present interactive prototypes in Microsoft Teams without leaving the platform, all in under 2 minutes. We'll use MockFlow IdeaBoard to present a mobile app prototype directly inside Microsoft Teams, making it easy to showcase your interactive designs without switching between applications. In Microsoft Teams, open your channel and click the plus icon. Select Apps, search for MockFlow IdeaBoard, and choose it. Select your design space and project, then click Save. The project will be added as a new tab in your Microsoft Teams channel, allowing you to present your interactive prototype directly within Teams without leaving the platform. Team members can view your interactive prototype directly inside Microsoft Teams as you navigate through screens and demonstrate the complete user flow, making it easy to present your designs without switching between applications. And that's it. Your interactive prototype is now ready to present directly inside Microsoft Teams.